Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 15.1, which is lines and rays and angles. Lines, rays, and angles. First, we need to know what is the meaning of line and ray and angle. Line is like that, is a line segment that has two arrows. This is called line. This is called line. Ray is like that, has only one arrow. It has a starting point and no ending point. The line has no starting point and has no ending point. Again, ray has one starting point and no ending point. So this is line and this is ray. After that, the angle. What is the angle? The angle is union of two rays. Union of two rays having the same starting point. Like that, we have one ray, its starting point here. And if you have another ray with the same starting point, this is called angle. This is called angle. So line has no starting point, no ending point, and two arrows. Ray has one starting point and no ending point. Angle has union of two rays with the same starting point. With the same starting point. Let's start our exercise. Here we have a definition. This is called point. This is called point. A point is an exact location in space. Point, this point I can call it point Z. Point Z. Oh, a line is like that. A line is a straight path of points that goes on and on its opposite directions. Line AB, we read it like that. AB and right line. Line AB. A line segment is a part of a line, is a small part of a line with two ends point, with two ends point. GR, this is called line segment GR. Array is a part of a line that has one endpoint and continues on forever in one direction. This ray is NO. NO, you have to start with the starting point. So this ray is called NO. Point Z, this is called line AB, and I can call it line BA. No problem if you change the name. GR is line segment. I can call it RG. No problem. Line segment. But the array has only one way to say it. With the starting point NO. I can't say ON. ON, no. I can't say the array is called ON. So again, let's back here. This is called point. This is called point. If we extend a point like that, so this is called line segment. If we make one arrow, it will be ray. Two arrows, it will be line. Again, point. And if we draw another point, this will be line segment. One arrow is ray, two arrows is line. Now, we are going to know what are the types of the angles. An angle formed by two rays, as I told you before, that have the same end point, the same end point. Angle ABC is right. We can call this angle by its vertex. Angle ABC or angle CBA. The vertex should be on the middle. Angle ABC is right angle. A right angle form a square corner. If you have a square corner like that, so it will be right angle. This angle, its name is DEF, angle DEF, or angle FED, is an acute angle. An acute angle is open less than right angle. So acute angle less than the right angle. Obtuse angle, GHI, or I can say IHG, is an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is open more than the right angle, but less than the straight angle. More than the right angle, but less than the straight angle is called obtuse. A straight angle is like that, like the line. I can say it JKL, angle JKL, or angle LKJ. JKL is a straight angle. A straight angle form a straight line. A straight line. So again, right angle, it has a square corner. Acute angle, less than right angle. Obtuse angle, more than right angle. Straight but less than here, more than right angle but less than a straight angle. Straight angle, form a straight line. Form a straight line. So we have four types of angles: right, acute, obtuse, straight. Right, acute, obtuse, straight. Right, acute, obtuse, straight. Right has a square corner. Acute, it's a measure less than right angle. Obtuse, it's a measure more than right angle but less than a straight angle. Straight angle form a straight line. So here, complete each figure to show the given angle. Here I need obtuse angle. I need obtuse angle. So I need angle more than right, 90, more than the right angle. It will be like that. The next one, I need straight angle. So I need to form a straight line like that. Acute angle, I need angle less than the right angle. So it will be like that. Acute angle. Right angle, I need a square corner. Square corner like that. This is called right angle. And we have to draw a square corner. The next exercise, use geometric terms to describe what is shown. I need to describe what is shown. What is Bx? Bx, it has no arrows, so it will be line segment. Yes, line segment. So this will be line segment. This line segment because it has no arrows. Here we have angle. What type of this angle? It has square corner, so it will be right angle. It will be right angle. Here, this will be right angle because I have square corner. This one has one arrow, so it will be ray, ray, because I have one arrow. So this is called ray. What about this? This angle, and this angle is smaller than the right angle, so it will be acute angle. Acute angle because this angle is less than the right angle. Less than the right angle. Again, this is line segment because it has no arrows. This is right angle because it has a square corner. Angle has a square corner. Has one arrow, it will be ray. This is angle less than this, the right angle, so it will be acute angle. Here, what geometric term describes a part of a line that has one endpoint? One endpoint. Draw an example. One endpoint, it will be like that. One endpoint. So it will be ray. It will be ray. This will be ray. The next one. What geometric term describes a part of a line that has two endpoints? Draw an example. Two endpoints. Two endpoints. Two endpoints, it will be like that. Has no arrow. And this called, yes, line segment. Line segment. The next one. Which geometric term describes an angle that form a square corner? Angle that has square corner, it will be like that. Angle has square corner. Write the first ray and the second ray like that. So it will be right angle. Yes, right angle because it has square corner. Right angle. You have to draw the square corner like that. So this is called right angle. This is called right angle. The next one. Use geometric term to describe what is shown. What is this? This is angle. What is the type of this angle? Who can tell me? This angle is more than right angle, so it will be obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. The next one. This line has no arrows, so it will be line segment. Has no arrows. Line segment has two endpoints. Here we have one endpoint and one arrow. One arrow, so it will be ray. One arrow, ray. One arrow is ray. This angle, this is angle because it has two rays and it has square corner. Square corner is right angle. Right angle. Square corner, right angle. Right angle. So this is obtuse angle. Line segment has no arrows. Ray has only one arrow. Right angle has square corner. The next one. Use the diagram at the right. Number 12. Name 4 line segments. I need 4 line segments. It's very easy. Take any two letters like QR, QP, QT, TU, TS. So I can write it like that. QR. but you have to put up line segment, and also QP, QB line segment, and also you can take QT, QT line segment, and also TU. I can take RU because there is no line between R and U. So it will be TU. Name for rays. For rays. The ray has one starting point and one arrow like that. QP. But you have to write like that. QP and put on up ray. And Q are also starting point here and one arrow here. So Q R is array. What else? TS, yes, starting here and no ending point. TS is ray. What else? TU starting here and U has the arrow. TU is ray. Name two right angle. Right angle, as I told you before, has a square corner. Here I have a square corner and another square corner. How we can name this square corner? By three letters like that. R, Q, T. The square corner, the letter on the square corner should be in the middle. So R, Q, T. Angle, R, Q, T. What else? The next one. I need T in the middle, so it will be U, T, Q. Or we can say S, T, Q, no problem. U, T, Q. And S, T, Q, no problem. We can say it like that, P, Q, T. So, here, write a definition of right angle. Draw a right angle. Give three examples of right angles in classroom. Write a definition of the right angle. The right angle is angle that has a square corner or its measure equals 90 degrees. A right angle is the angle that has a square corner or its measure is 90 degrees. Draw a right angle. Let's draw the right angle like that. The first ray and this is the second ray, and you should draw the square corner. Give three examples of right angle in your classroom. Like the edge of the board, the edge of the board. This is the board, whiteboard. This edge is right angle. Like the window, the edge of the window. We have a window. This is also right angle. What else? The edge of your desk. Your desk is like that. So it has only square corner. So whiteboard, maybe window, maybe edge of what? Edge of your desk. The next example. Which geometric term describe angle HJK? Let's find this angle HJK. This angle again HJK. I need this angle. This angle is smaller than the right angle, so it will be accurate. What about angle KJL? Angle KJL. KJL. This angle was green. KJL will be more than right. It will be obtuse. It will be obtuse. Lisa drew two rays that share an endpoint. Which of the following is Lisa's drawing? Again, Lisa drew two rays that share one endpoint. That means it will be angled. This will be angled, yes, because two rays sharing the same endpoint. These two rays, yes, but not sharing the same endpoint, so it will be not angled. This ray and this is line segment. I can't make angle with array and line segment. Angle contains two rays. No. This line segment, no. This is not angle. So the answer is A. I finished my lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. Please don't forget your online assignment. Have a nice day. Thank you.